Sailor love Haven? My beautiful girls. Haven just got a diaper change. Haven, you turned 2 in 2 months. Sailor, you turn 1 in 3 months. Haven, say hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Hiccups. Somebody's got the hiccups. Hi, Sailor. Hi. Hi, happy baby. My happy girls. Happy, happy, happy girls. Hi.
Hi.
Haven's watching Sailor from my view and saying hi to her. Hi.
Hi.
Say it again. Hi.
Hi.
There's River running away from Haven. She doesn't like kids very much. Get all up in her grill. And then here's Jax, who doesn't mind anything. Doesn't mind when they crawl all over him. We love Jax. He's a good boy. A good boy. There's Sailor playing with her keys. Her chewable keys. Haven, stop crawling over Mommy, honey. Don't fake cry. You don't need to fake cry. Come here. We're emotional today. We're emotional today. Mommy loves you. You've got the hiccups still. You've got the hiccups still. Oh. Haven was holding her best friend, Melody. That's Melody, her best friend. She doesn't go anywhere without her, and she notices when she's gone. Huh, that's your best friend. Other than your sister, huh? Your sister's your next best friend. Or your first best friend. Okay, Mommy's gotta go to the mac and cheese. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye. See you later. Bye-bye. See you later.